Got a new smartwatch? Pairing it with your phone is the first step to unlocking all its features. In this video, I'll show you how to pair your Garmin MARQ Aviator Gen 2 quickly and easily. Download the Garmin Connect and Garmin Pilot apps from the App Gallery, Google Play Store, or App Store and install them. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Turn on your MARQ Aviator Gen 2 by pressing and holding the side button. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. When the watch powers on for the first time, it will automatically enter pairing mode. Select your preferred language, then tap the checkmark on the screen to start pairing. Open the Garmin Connect app on your phone, then create a new account or log in to your existing one. Follow the on-screen instructions within the app to complete the setup and pairing with your watch. Keep Bluetooth turned on throughout the process to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted connection. Once you've successfully paired your device, it will automatically sync with your watch. This allows you to access all features, including activity tracking, health stats, notifications, and more. Any changes made in the app will reflect on your watch instantly, keeping everything up to date. And that's it! Your Garmin MARQ Aviator Gen 2 is now paired and ready to go. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.